How to turn off commenting on Instagram post. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off commenting on Instagram post. Whether it's for privacy, reducing spam, or just keeping your post clean. I will guide you through the steps to control who can comment or turn comment off entirely. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon shown on the bottom right corner of the screen and you will enter the profile section. Now find the post where you want to turn off comment and once you have located it, simply tap on that post. Once you have opened the post, tap on the three dot icon in the top right corner of the post and the pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on the option called Turn Off Commenting. And just like that, the comment section will be disabled for that post. Your followers won't be able to leave comment anymore, but any existing comments will still be visible unless you choose to delete them manually. But if you change your mind, you can always re-enable the comments. And that's it. Turning off comments on Instagram is quick and easy, whether it's for existing posts or the new ones. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.